Hello everyone, we are now at 630 Southwest 67th Avenue in the open house for our clients. It's a beautiful home. It's on the entrance. This is a bay window. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a pool, brand new roof, and many other features that I'm going to show you. So I'm here at this property with Corey. Here is Corey. Corey is from our office too, and we're doing together this open house. It's a beautiful place. Has a huge family room. This is the perfect entertainment house. This is a real chimney. And it has a bar here, so it's perfect setting. This kitchen can be opened up all the way here for entertaining. And now we're going to see the outdoor. We have this nice pool, recently done with diamond bright. House was also recently painted. It has a waterfall in the back, a nice sitting area with a big shed in the back. This is a perfect home in Pembroke Pines, priced right at $350. All the windows throughout the house are hurricane windows, impact hurricane windows. So we look forward to seeing you. Again, the address is 630 Southwest 70th Avenue. And I am Magda Robles from Keller Williams with Corey, also with Keller Williams. Looking forward to seeing you here.